Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Docker Compose in production with systemd step by step clearly. Open your terminal. Ensure you have root privileges to make necessary changes. Navigate to your Docker Compose file directory. Locate the service you want to disable. Identify the name of the service used in your Docker Compose file. Use the command to stop the service. Run sudo system till stop service name. Check the status of the service to confirm it has stopped. Use the command sudo system till status service name. Now proceed to disable the service. Run sudo system till disable service name. This prevents the service from restarting on boot. Next, remove the Docker Compose setup if needed. Run Docker Compose down within the project directory. Check for any running containers. Use Docker PS to list them. If necessary, remove any remaining containers manually. You can do this with Docker RM Container ID. For good measure, check for unused images. Run Docker images to view the current images. Remove any unused images if applicable. Complete your changes by verifying the service is fully disabled. Run sudo system to list unit files type equals service. Look for your service in the results. Confirm its status is marked as disabled. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled Docker Compose in production using systemd. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.